even when they follow the instructions, when the connections between the two V6 intercom is successful, they ask me why, and I found the reason why. It is very, very simple. Now let's explain you. So we have two V6 intercom here. Out. And the headset. First, let's connect this to V6 intercom. We press this power button until we see red and blue lights flash. Okay, stop it. And then we just choose one button to press. Either intercom is open, which is this one, and waiting for them to pair each other. Okay, when both of them flashing blue lights, that means the connection between these two are successful. Now we press this power button to make them talk. Okay, so you see this? That means these two can talk. And now we plug into the headset. First, let's have a look at this hole. As you can see, we made this out of the intercom, and that means you have to plug it into the hole very tightly. If you just plug it like this, you cannot hear anything. So you need to make it tight. And this one, make it tight. And now we talk. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And now let's lose this. Simply like this. Let's have a try. Hello, 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 hello. Now you cannot hear anything. Hello, hello. No sound from the intercom. The problem just lies in this headset. We need to plug it into the hole very tightly. Push it in. Push it. And let's try again. Hello? 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 Now the sound is okay. So you found the reason why? I hope this video will help you to solve your problem. And if you have any problems with the V6 intercom, just send me a message